Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Sebastian from Tech Century today with a special unboxing for you guys because we're taking a look at this, the Desklab ultralight portable touchscreen monitor. This is supposed to be the full HD version. There's also a 4K version available as well. And I was very excited when the guys over at Desklab reached out and asked if I wanted to check it out, and I said sure, because the product looks pretty amazing and I haven't seen many videos covering it here on YouTube, so I thought let's start with an unboxing. So here we see it's an ultralight portable touchscreen monitor, entire suite of office and entertainment packed into the lightest portable touchscreen monitor ever. So yeah, that sounds good. I don't think we need to know much more than that. So now let's actually open the box, and here we have the content. So let's see what we have first here. So this actually looks like a really nice cover pouch, something like this, for the monitor itself, and it has a really nice and grippy texture to it. I hope that you guys can see it here in the video. And this already feels very premium. Look at this on the back. I really like the stitching that's on here. Not really stitching, but the pattern that's on here. That feels really good in the hand. Now, next up, we'll have a cover to protect the monitor itself. And then we have the monitor. Oh, this feels nice and very light and thin, as you can see right here. That's pretty incredible. So let's put this to the side just for 1 second to see what else is in the box. But man, I'm surprised in a positive way. This looks really nice. User manual right here. Just some basic information. There's not really too much you have to consider. And then last but certainly not least, we have some cables. So here we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which is nice because that way you should probably already be able to just connect, for example, to your smartphone or to other devices with USB Type-C. And here we then have an HDMI cable that's included as well. And this is really nice because this is actually a full-size HDMI cable that then connects to, I think this is mini HDMI. I hope I'm not mistaken, but I think this is mini HDMI and not micro HDMI. And this is everything that's in the box. So now let's actually take a look at the monitor itself. All right, here we have it. And to be honest, it's so light, you wouldn't even think it's a monitor. It more has resemblance towards, for example, just tablets. Kind of feels like an iPad, just bigger because this has a 15-inch diagonal. So that's a really nice size to have as a portable monitor. Oh, and there we have the display itself. Also, protective film, remove the protective film from the front before using it. So this is what we're going to do. All right, this is a little bit of gadget porn. So there we have it. So really nice matte finish to it that will reduce the reflections as well. And yeah, it's just so clean. So here on the side we then have all the ports. So we have the mini HDMI, we have 2 USB Type-C ports, and is that a micro USB? Not quite sure, it might be a micro USB. And on the front we basically have nothing but the display itself. If we then turn it around, we just have brushed aluminum here on the back with the Desklab logo. Just very simple and clean, I have to say. On the bottom I think we have 2 speakers. And then on the other side we have the power switch, a dial that seems like maybe for volume or the menu controls, and also a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Alright, so here we now have the monitor all set up and also connected to this really nice cover that you've already seen. And now I can't wait to start using it. I think the awesome part about it is definitely that you don't need to have a power cable, especially for the full HD version. So here, for example, I have my Samsung Galaxy S10 that you can see right here. And then I just take the included USB Type-C cable, connect it here to the smartphone, and then connect the other side to the USB Type-C port on the monitor itself. and then it will take a second and the monitor is already booting up. And now we're connected here just using this one single USB Type-C cable, and we can either use it and scroll on the smartphone itself, or we can also of course use the built-in touchscreen here on the monitor, and this is absolutely amazing. And yeah, it just kind of blows my mind that you don't even need to have a separate power cable connected. And I can't wait to start using this monitor. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.